Are you a scientist considering a career in industry? Thinking about transitioning out of that traditional career of academia and getting a job at a company? Awesome. It's a great career path. But I'm guessing you also have a lot of questions. Questions like, what is working in industry really like? Is it at all like what I do in an academic research lab? Can a career in industry be exciting and rewarding? And what skills will I need to be successful? Are they the same as the skills that helped me get my master's or my PhD? And how do I navigate that crazy game of online applications? And once I get an interview, how do I answer those tough interview questions that I hear about? Well, I'm Dave Giltner, founder of TurningScience, and I've trained thousands of scientists how to make the transition into industry careers. Most of these scientists took my workshop, How to Be More Employable in Industry, and in it, I give you answers to all of those questions and more. I've worked in the tech industry for more than 25 years, from big companies to very small companies, hiring and managing scientists in the kinds of jobs you are looking for. I've loved my career, and not one single time have I ever regretted working in industry. I've learned a lot about how companies operate, but I've also learned a lot about where a scientist fits into a company and how they can build an exciting industry career. That is what I will teach you in this workshop. Are you wondering, how is working in industry different than academia? We will talk about that. Turns out it's very different. Are you wondering, how do I go about finding a job? Well, I will give you a 5-step process for designing your own exciting career path that fits what you are best at. Are you wondering, what jobs can a scientist do in industry? I'll describe a whole bunch of jobs that I didn't even know existed when I was working on my PhD. Are you wondering, how will I impress a hiring manager in industry with my research work? I will teach you a great method for helping them see just how useful you can be to them, even with no industry experience. Are you wondering how to navigate that crazy process of online applications? Have you already been rejected many times? Well, there's a good chance you were a good fit, but there's something you weren't doing right. We'll talk about that and lots more. Like all of my workshops, this one is very interactive with lots of discussion and opportunities to learn from the others in the workshop. So if you got an invitation to this workshop from your training coordinator, I encourage you to sign up. We will have a great time and you will learn a lot. If you came across this video on your own and would like to take this workshop, click the link below. It will take you to my contact page. Send me a message and I will help you get into this great workshop. Thank you for watching. Now let's get out there and turn science into things people need.